Hello students, this is Ujjwala Bhandiwad, lecturer from KLS Gokte PU College of Commerce and Science, Belagavi. In the last class, we have started with the new chapter, that is data representation. In that we have learned 4 different types of number systems. They are decimal number system, binary, octal and hexadecimal. We have also learned how to convert from decimal to other number system. In today's class, we will be learning how to convert from other number system to the decimal number system. That is, it is exactly the opposite way. Okay. You can just see here, to convert other number system to decimal number system, we have to follow 3 different steps. First step tells us determine the positional value of each digit. Second step tells us multiply each digit by its weight. Third step tells us add all the products. Okay. So students, you have to remember these steps when you're converting from other number system to decimal number system. This is the very important part in it. Okay. Let me show you. I have considered here one example, 1101 to the base value 2. Okay, means it is in the binary number system. Now I am determining its positional value. Okay, we know that the positional value begins with the 0. Okay, and I have just marked it, and you can see from left side onwards the position value will keep on increasing. It begins with 0 and it start increasing. Okay, so now this 1101 base 2 means it is in the binary number system. I have to convert it into the decimal number system. So let us take the value first digit, which is that 1. Base value is 2. Okay. Raised to the power, positional value of 1 is 3. So 2 to the power 3. Okay. Now take the second digit. Which is the second digit? It is 1. So write down plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. See, these 0, 1, 2, 3 are the positional value of the every digit, and we have to write with their base value. Okay, now consider again the equation 1 into, you can see here 2 to the power 3 means 2 has to be multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Hence, the answer will be 8 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 means it will be 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 means it is 2 only plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. See, anything raised to 0 is answer is 1 only. Therefore, it is 1. Now, equate the equation See here, evaluate. 1 into 8 is 8 plus 4 plus anything multiplied with 0 means 0 only. So answer is 0 plus 1. Okay. So our final answer is 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, that is 13 to the base 10. So students, in this way I have converted other number system. Other number system is which one? 1101 base 2. It is in the binary number system. I have converted into the decimal number system. So this is the method. In this way you can do it. Okay. Now let me take one more example. In this example you can see my number is 110101. Decimal point is there 101 base 2. It is a binary number but it has a decimal point in it. Hence, we have to convert it into again decimal number system, right? So, we have to write the positional values. You can see how I have written the positional value. From the decimal point left side, the positional value will keep on increasing. You can check out there. Okay. But towards the right hand side of the decimal point, the positional value will keep on reducing. Okay. So, we will be writing the positional value after the decimal point like this: -1, -2, -3. Okay. So, base 2. In this way we have to write. Now, as we have substituted earlier equation, in the same way we have to write down our own equation. Okay. So, we are going to write it 1 into So, we have written the same equation, no change in it. Now substitute the values. 1 into 2 to the power 6 means 2 should be multiplied 6 times. Answer is 64. Okay. 1 into 32. 2 to the power 5 means how much? It is going to be 32. Now plus anything is multiplied with 0 means 0 we get usually. Okay. In that way, we will write all the values. Okay. But you can see when the negative number comes, that is 1 into 2 to the power -1. 2 to the power -1 means how to write that? We don't know the value of 2 to the power -1. So I will rewrite that value like this: 1 into 1 upon 2 to the power +1. I hope you understood. I didn't do any changes. 2 to the power -1 we cannot find out the value. Hence, we are writing the same equation. We are just rewriting it. 1 upon 2 to the power +1. Similarly, here 1 upon 2 to the power 2. And here 2 to the power 3 I have written. Okay. Now our substitution value will be like this. So finally we get 109.625. Okay, when we substitute the answer. Now if I take the third example, okay, that is 1375 to the base 8. It is in the octal number system. We have to convert it into the decimal value. First write down its positional value. I have written it as you can see in the screen: 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now take down First, 1 into, it is in the octal number system, so we have to consider the base value as 8. Okay, you can check here. So 1 into 8 to the power 3 plus 3 into 8 to the power 2 plus 5 into 7 into 8 to the power 1 and 5 into 8 to the power 0. Okay, now substitute all the answers. See, we know 8 has to be multiplied 3 times. The answer will be 512. Now plus 3 into 64 plus 7 into 8 plus 5 into 8. Sorry, 5 into 1. 8, anything raised to 0 will be 1. So 5 into 1. Hence our final answer will be after adding all the sum, we get 765 to the base 10. Okay, in this way we have converted from octal number system to decimal number system. We have converted binary number to decimal number system. Now let me take one more example. I have taken ADD, which is in the hexadecimal number system. Okay, it has to be converted in the decimal number system. We know that hexadecimal number system uses 16 symbols, 0 to 9, and after that A to F. So A into positional value of A is going to be 2. So 16 into raised to the power 2, D into 16 to the power 1, and again D into 16 to the power 0. Now the value of A after 9, the value of A is 10. So that 10 I have written. 16 into 16. Okay, you can just check out. So 16 should be multiplied 2 times. Okay, answer will be 256. Okay. So the final answer will be 2781 to the base 10. In this way, we have converted from any other number system to the decimal number system. So students, I hope you have understood these few problems. Again in the next class, we will continue with our new problems. Thank you.